Hey, what's going on YouTube? Back with another video today. And today I'm talking about the keto diet, and I've been on it for about 3 months now. About 3 full months now. And it, in between those 3 months, I've lost some weight. I have felt way better. My knee, as man, a lot of people know, I have osteoarthritis in my left knee. And my knee pain has gone from a 7 to like a 3. Like literally a little bit to no pain in my left knee due to the keto diet. I taste food better. I have more energy. I don't doze off. I've been dozing off lately because the newborn don't get a lot of sleep. But other than that, I have energy throughout the day. I don't eat as much food, and I eat less food. I try to skip breakfast if I can. Some mornings I have breakfast. Some mornings I have an omelet with pretty much everything in it: onions, green peppers, and onions, sausage. All that stuff is keto friendly. Put some bacon on the side. All that's keto friendly. And I have cheat on my diet as well. So I had some donuts. Me and my wife went to a wedding recently, and I had donuts, and I had a couple of beers, and it's very hard to do keto while you go out. I say, if you're gonna cheat, just go ahead and cheat. You know how. Once you do keto for a while, you know how sugar works, and you know how carbohydrates works. So it's okay to cheat every once in a while. I say cheat maybe once or twice a month. Just don't go overboard. So I had 2 donuts. I had about 3 beers. I think I had a half a cupcake. Not a lot of junk food, but still enough to knock me out of keto for a while. But the thing about that was, I ate that night. I didn't eat till the next afternoon. So I kind of like, with a keto, you have to let out your body use that carbs and sugar you ate for energy. You know what I'm saying? Once you do keto for a while, you can feel yourself hungry, not hungry. And it's kind of hard to explain. Like, usually, if I eat donuts and beer, I'll be hungry 2 hours later because it's not food, it's sugar. But I wasn't hungry. So it's like my body is already putting on carbs to use and keeping some of the fat, it's kind of hard to explain, but that's what I'm going through with diet. Like I said, at the wedding, I was helping out. I didn't eat a lot of food, and I wasn't that hungry. The beer feeds you up anyway. But the next morning, I ate breakfast the next morning, but I'm still feel the next. And it takes a while for you to get back to where it was. But the next day, I'm back to where I am. I skip breakfast. I eat a small lunch, and I eat dinner, a fatty dinner, avocados, bacon, mushrooms, a fatty dinner. So that's why I experienced with the keto diet. It's weird. You have to do it for a long time to feel what I feel, but it's like you can kind of turn off the switch and on switch. Like, okay, I'm gonna cheat today, but tomorrow we're going back on the keto. And one thing I did was, okay, I ate the donuts and the cake and beer. The next day I had all fat. The next day I had no sugar. I had all fat. So my body was kind of using the sugar and carbs I had yesterday because it won't store it as fat. And another thing about this diet, I'm not gaining no weight. I'm not gaining no weight. Either I'm staying the same or losing some weight. So that's another good thing about it. So you can cheat I say once or twice a month. You can have a cheat day, but the next day you go back eating fats and vegetables. So you're not gaining that weight, so your body can use those carbs and sugars as energy first. That's what it's doing. It's going to switch to the sugar and carbs again. It's going to burn that first, so it won't store as fat. So when you gain weight, you're constantly putting carbs and sugar in your body. That's when you start gaining weight. By you putting carbs and sugar in your body twice a month, it's going to burn that first. Then you're fat. You're not putting carbs back into it. One of the previous videos I did oatmeal in the morning, bananas. I have rice and potatoes and chicken for lunch, and for dinner I have rice, sweet potato, all that starch all day long, all them carbohydrates and sugar I had all day. I'm going to the gym 3 times a week, lose no weight. But now you see how the keto diet works. You can cheat every once in a while. I go out there and cheat every once in a while, but I know that these sugar and carbs, my body knows that the sugar and carbs that I'm taking now, you better burn it up. You're not getting no more for a long time. So it really can't store the sugar, because I'm not gonna put no sugar back into my system for that couple of weeks. So I'm pretty much back to where I was before I ate the donuts and beer. So that's my results. Just going a little rant on the keto diet, but I love the diet so far. I'm following the plan as advertised. I don't want to change my diet at all. I mean, Chinese food and rice and lo mein is out the door now, because I know what it makes me feel. I feel tired and hungry. After 2 hours, I'm tired and hungry, and I want something sweet to eat. And then now the food we eat now is way better for me, and my body feels great. So that's my update to keto diet after 3 months, about 3 months, 3 months on it. I love the diet so far. It's not hard to do at all. Excuse me. And I love it. I love it. I'm doing this every day. I try to eat 2 meals a day. And some days I eat breakfast, eggs and bacon in the morning. You know, I'm supposed to eat 2 meals, but some days, like last night, I didn't have a whole lot of fat to carry me through lunch. Through breakfast. So I ate some breakfast. And bacon and eggs are fine. So that's my take on the diet. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.